Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today's video about washing your driveway. As you can see, it over here is kind of green, and especially this stuff, I don't know if this is actually gonna come off, but this is the rust from my drilling during the wet weather. But anyway, I was using my power washer and it works, but take a little time. So today I'm going to be testing. I bought this 14-inch surface cleaner that you connect to your washer. So that's what it looks like basically. It comes in a box, the whole thing already assembled. It has extension, looks like extension rods. So let's see how we're gonna assemble it. It's swivel, so that's the cool part. It rolls around. Supposedly this should speed up the process quite a bit. By the way, in the box it actually comes with a few extra nozzles. I'm actually was using green one for the most of the jobs over here too, which says this is 25 degrees. That's general, and like I said, it works for most of the use. Car wash, unless you use delicate, maybe car wash would be better. I almost never use this maximum. So it gave me three additional nozzles over here. So that's cool. Extensions. So let's see how it's gonna work. Compare my old way versus this surface cleaner 14-inch, which supposedly should, like I said, should be easier and should be faster. So technically, I mean, I really don't have to even use this. I could probably just connect there you go, just like that. So alright, so let's see how it's gonna work. I'm gonna start with the toughest spot. So as you can see, it is pretty much zero assembly. It's pretty much come pre-assembled, and I tell you what, I even not gonna bother trying the old way because it's gonna be like 10 times longer. It does job perfectly. I mean, this rusty spot, that's totally my fault. Never drill anything on the wet surface. Try put some kind of blankets or whatever, but hey, this thing works. If you're interested, the link for this washer thingy is gonna be in the description below this video. So yeah, if it was good for you, don't forget to leave me a like for this video, and good luck for you with your project.